Florence! Oh. Hello, Watson. Help! Help! Help!
One dark, lonely night on Crimea's dread shore, there was bloodshed and fighting the morning before. The dead and the dying lay bleeding around, some crying for help, help, but none could be found. What we need is a miracle, a human miracle. We need someone to help us where we lie, to make us well, 'cause we don't want to die. So what we need is a miracle down here right now. Then God sent his angel to succour the brave. 10,000 she saved from an untimely grave. The wounded may love her as it can be seen. She's the soldiers' preserver. They call her their queen.
Hello, Queenie.
What we got was a miracle, a human miracle. We got a lady when all else they fail, who made us well on Christmas Nightingale. What we got was a miracle down here right now.
I went to the supply officer and asked him, was he expecting these things from England? No, he said. Are you doing anything about purchasing them? No, he said. Can they be had in a local town? If they can, I don't know how to get them, was his answer. So, Mr. Herbert, I went out myself and I bought them with my own money.